Hello children, I am your Lata Miss. Let's do writing practice of A to Z on red line, blue line. So you are ready with me? Start. First letter is A. A says A. This is capital letter A. Small letter A. A for apple. A says A. Now next letter is B. B says B. This is capital letter of B. Small letter B. B for ball. B says B. Now next letter is C. C. C says K. This is capital letter C. Small letter C. C for cat. C says K. Now next D. D says D. This is capital letter D. Small letter D. D for dog. D says D. Now next letter is E. E for elephant. E says A. This is capital letter E. And this is small letter E. E says A. E for elephant. Now next letter is F. F says F. F for fan. This is capital letter F. This is small letter F. F says F. F for fan. F for fan. F says F. Now let's see which letter is coming next. G. G says G. G for grapes. Capital G, and this is baby G. G for grapes. G says G. G says G. Next letter is H. H for hat. H says H. This is capital letter H. And this is small letter H. H for hat. H says H. Next letter is I. I for ice cream. This is capital I and this is small letter I. I for ice cream. I says E. I says E. Now next letter is J. J for jug. This is capital letter J. And this is small letter J. J for jug. J says J. J says J. Next letter is K. This is capital letter K. K for kite. And this is small letter K. K for kite. K says K. K says K. Next is L. L for lollipop. This is capital L and this is small letter L. L for lollipop. L says L. After L, M. M for mango. M says M. This is capital M and this is small letter M. M for mango. M says M. M says M. Next, N. N for nest. This is capital letter N. And this is small letter N. N for nest. N says N. After N, O. O for orange. O says O. This is capital O. And this is small letter O. O for orange. O says O. After O, P. P for pen. This is capital letter P. And this is small letter P. P for pen. P says P. P says P. After P, P, Q. Q for question mark. This is capital letter Q. Q for question mark. And this is small letter Q. Q for question mark. Q says Qua. Q says Qua. R. R for rat. R says R. This is capital R. And this is small letter R. R for rat. R says R. R says R. After R, S. S for sun. S. This is capital S. And this is small letter S. S for sun. S says S. S says S. After S, T. T for tap. This is capital letter T and this is small letter T. T for tap. T says T. T says T. After T, U. U for umbrella. This is capital U. And this is baby letter U. U for umbrella. U says A. U says A. After U, V letter. This is V. V for van. This is capital V. And this is small letter V. V for van. V says V. V says V. Now next, after V, W. W for well. This is capital W. And this is small letter W. V for well. V says W. V says W. After W, X. X says X. This is capital letter X. This is small letter X. X for Xmas tree. X says X. After X, Y. This is capital letter Y. This is small letter Y. Y for yo-yo. Y says Y. Y for yo-yo. Y says Y. After Y, Z. Z. This is capital Z. Z for zip. And this is small letter Z. Z for zip. Z says Z. Z says Z. Like, subscribe and don't forget to share. Thank you. Bye.